Hey guys, welcome to today's video and Happy New Year! I know I'm almost a month late, but that's okay. I hope you guys had a safe and happy new year and the beginning of your 2021 has been blessed. I know that my background is a little... We're just gonna excuse it for now. I'm gonna get it together, I promise you. I've been playing a lot of The Sims, but sorry, I have the sim that I'm gonna be recreating on my screen, and she's like moving and like her eyes are like looking at me and it's kind of weird. Anyways, yeah, so today I wanted to do a makeup look in The Sims and then recreate it IRL in person on my face. So let's go create that sim and I'll see you guys back here. So don't mind me, I'm just going to moisturize. But in The Sims, they don't have any foundation, they don't have any concealer or anything like that. It's just eyes, cheeks, and lips for the most part. So I'm just going to fill that stuff in. So I'm going to start with my Patricia Bright's Makeup Revolution palette. This has to be one of my favorite palettes ever. It is just... as you can see, it's quite used and dirty, but it is just so beautiful. The neutrals in here are perfect. The bright colors, when I look at this palette, I just want to sit down and create. I just want to play. From what I'm looking at the sim that I have sitting here staring at me, she has red on the outer corner going about halfway, and then on the lid on the inner corner is pink, and then the pink goes all the way down here onto the lower lash line, but there's actually nothing else on the outer lash line, which I think is really interesting, and I'm curious to see how that will look. I'm gonna go in with Miss Tropicana or Miss Tropicana. There's also no definition, it's just red and pink. So we're gonna see how this looks. Let's go ahead and just place this. Should I get a little closer? Come here. I'm a little scared, but I'm gonna take that red and I'm going to bring it to the front of my brow, all the way to the very bridge of my nose, to the very top bridge of my nose. It's almost like I'm tracing the front of my brow with this color. Not gonna lie, I'm getting a little worried. I'm just gonna trust the process. I am gonna go in with Pillow Talk. This color right here, it's like a plum / burgundy. I might mix it with Allspice, which is a little bit more neutral. Make it look more like a deeper red. And I'm gonna go just right in my crease right here, just to add some definition. I'm just now realizing the look in The Sims doesn't actually bring the red all the way to the bridge of the nose, but I can't help myself because I love doing that. I didn't expect to take it this far. Like, I really was like, oh, I'm just gonna add red and pink and it's gonna be cute. And then I started and it's not. It's just not. That just made the world of a difference. Is that the same? That just made a world of a difference. Okay. Anyways, we're just gonna keep blending. Now this palette has one of my absolute favorite colors in my collection. It's called Love Song, and as you can see, I've put quite a bit of love into this song. Sorry, that was just...
So I'm just gonna place that on the inner corner of my lid. Did y'all see that? Did you see that? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my god, it's so good. I haven't played with makeup in so long. I've just been playing The Sims.
Okay. Just going to add some of that pink shade that I was putting on my inner corner to my lower lash line, still only on the inner corner. Dude, it's so weird that there's nothing on their lower lash line here. That's so weird. I'm going to do the liner and lashes off camera because I cannot do those things on camera. I need to be like this close to my mirror, so there would be no point in me trying to show you when all you can see is this. So I'll be right back so we can finish the face off together. Okay, we're back. Now honestly, the eyes came out pretty good. Not gonna lie, they came out pretty good. I think once we have concealer and foundation on and everything, it'll look decent. I think it'll look okay. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. What the fuck? What just happened? What just happened? Oh no. Okay, so The Sims doesn't have highlight or contour. I know, it's I know, it's a shame. It's a real shame. But I just went ahead and added some anyway, just to complete the look, because again, just eyes, blush, and lips doesn't look right to me, at least on me. I'm sure there's some people out there who can pull it off and make it work. but not me. So now we're gonna do the blush. I'm just gonna use one of these eyeshadows from the Patricia Bright palette, the one called This Pink's Poppin'. Go ham. Just do soft tapping circular motions. She also has it like all the way up back here into where her contour would be, if she had any. Ooh, the two-toned lips. This is gonna be interesting. So I went ahead and lined my lips a little bit because I can't not do that. I do have this MAC lipstick in Honey Love. This is the matte lipstick, and I'm just gonna use that. It's not quite the same, but it's nude like hers is. So I'm just gonna use it, apply it to only my top lip. I'm going to try not to press my lips together because that's usually what I would do, but we're trying not to mix these colors. And I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. lip line in Praline. This is my all-time favorite lip liner. It's so good and it matches my lips exactly. I don't know if this is pink enough. This is like a little too nude, I think. But I'm not really a fan of pink lipsticks, so I don't have very many pink lipsticks. I mean, that's two-toned enough. The top lip is like, you can see that it's a different color, but it's not like, whoa, those are two different colors, you know? So I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna now go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Hers isn't a gloss, but I can't do a makeup look without gloss. It is what it is. Sue me. I like gloss, okay? Ooh. Anyways, this is the final look. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. It really means a lot. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video. It really helps out my videos. It really helps out my channel. I know all YouTubers say that, but seriously, it helps a lot. Also, leave a comment, that helps as well. I would love to chat with you guys. Yeah, also I'm going to be streaming on Twitch very soon. I don't have a schedule yet, but once I do, I will 100% let you guys know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Later. By the way, can I just show you guys what's been staring at me this entire time I've been filming? This, and when she blinks, like I can see her in the corner of my eye, so when she blinks, it like freaks me out. It literally, like I would look and I'm like, oh, I forgot I have her freaking sitting here like this. And then when you zoom out, they actually like move. So I'm seeing this in the corner of my eye and it's freaking me the hell out. But yeah, that's what I had to deal with filming this entire video.